from the 28th of the second month of 1444, separation. The Father God is beyond form and gender in his duty. Effortlessly, dur di da, paves the way for each one's destiny. The predecessor deity, who is the good God, plays a lullaby through sorrows and joy for those inside and outside of society. 5 of Aer gets past the pride that overextends itself fatefully. Aun Eater of Daoine reversed, became too outspoken during Yule. Deirdre needs to recenter on the spiritual worlds. Sometimes we must hide the manifestation of plated beauty. And what are your...
When I heard the word beyond, when one reaches the beyond, no, there wouldn't be no need to worry so much about things like gender and all these physical things.
Well, like
really,
even you look at those biblical words for mother and father. They're they're used for that, but there's something more to it. The mother is the binder, the father is the provider, the pole, and there's more meaning than that with each of those. So that's one of the points I wanted to get across, because people act like one area. No, every area had gendered and ungendered causal philosophy. They had a variety of mythology. People act like they pick up one source of mythology and that's like it.
Yeah.
But I notice a lot of people with Celtic, with not Celtic is the wrong word, because Scottish and Irish is really pre-Celtic society, but Celtic kind of made its way from Austria, whatever. Austria, Germany is where the Celts came from, and they washed over Europe, basically. But I notice a lot of Christians that are from that ancestry of the Scottish and the Irish people, that they pray in a particular way, and it ties to this.
Oh wow!
And they all have this posture. And what dude wants to show off? I'm balancing one-footed on.
The
Father God is beyond gender in his duty, effortlessly dur di da, paves the way for each one's destiny. The predecessor deity, who is the good God, plays a lullaby through sorrows and joy for those inside and outside of society. So you have the train of sleep, you have the train of sorrows, and the train of joy in between. Well, you have the years broken up into those three things, right? And the 5 of Aer gets past the pride that overextends itself fatefully. So it's the thought, but it's in the sphere of Mars. And so it's getting, too much, pushing everything together. Your thoughts get jumbled. It's not that you're try to stop your thoughts. You just try to think of something regardless, or you try to work your thoughts, whatever.
Yeah.
But as I'm going to point out next week, or I've said otherwise, that some thoughts don't mean, just like dreams. People have dreams, and it doesn't mean, oh, I dreamt about doing something, so I have to do it. No. Plenty of people brain with drugs about other stuff. Oh, you have to go to court, and it's like, no, just because you had a dream about killing somebody related to that, no, you can't do that, dude. No.
No way.
And this last one of here, Aun Eater of Daoine reversed, became too outspoken during Yule. Deirdre needs to recenter on the spiritual worlds. Sometimes he must hide the manifestation of plated beauty. And of course, that's part of how she got away with things, right? But no, she still had to, you know, you almost feel like she was cast out, see? Like she was cast out, but there's potential to go off and do something. Now, the Crowley card for that one, you got this wheel of 36, 12, 12, 12, 12, and you got, no, she's out there doing this work, not just she's been chased out there. But speaking of which, so we got the Hunter card. So what is it's the art, right? Doesn't the art card, doesn't that have a Sagittarius symbol on it? Or did I mess that one up? Is there a Sagittarius symbol on there? The little the thing in the border, I can't read it.
I don't know what with that. There's to me it looks like little spider webs. Let me see if I can.
No, the thing in the bottom, the thing in the border, Oh, the bottom. Is it an arrow?
I see a little skull at the bottom of the pot.
Okay, but the border, I'm asking about the border.
Oh, the border.
Does the border have the Sagittarius thing? It's like an arrow.
It's got like little squiggles.
No. The element, the thing on the border. It has the name. It has a letter. And it has,
I'm sorry. It's got the pointed up arrow with a little line.
Okay, so I do got the right one.
Sorry about that.
The Golden Dawn, I don't know how you break up the S's. So do you have the scene and the semek as in two different letters of that same thing? So is that what they're trying to get at? But you have the ascent and the descent in that card. But you know, so you have somebody with a bow shooting up at the sky, or you got a cauldron and you got some animals around it, and sort of that sort of stuff. So you have the alchemical work, and you notice there, if you follow the court cards up to that point from the full downwards, you have, okay, you draw the distinction, you draw them together, and in that card, they switch their colors. So the alchemical work has led to a transformation where you're acting out the role that's not even you and all that stuff. Like what does Crowley say about his mastering his modes of his mind and doing things that he, oh no, don't do things that, there's a reason why you find it disgusting or repulsive or something. Figure that out before you go and act that out. But you know, that's one of the things in that card. So it's that alchemical work. Who transforms the interior, transforms the exterior. That's sort of the spirit of it. I don't remember the phrase. It says vitriol. Does it say vitriol or something like that? I don't remember what that phrase is.
I was looking at the letters, and it's kind of hard to make out. At the first, at the top of it, it's RECTIF.
Okay, yeah, you rectify something, but anyways, you're rectifying the interior and the interior, and you're kind of operating them both in their different terms. The subjective in terms of the objective, and the objective in terms of the subjective, and yeah, a lot of stuff. But